Hi, this is Dr. Harish Shandilya. I'm heading Global Regulatory Affairs, Product Portfolio Management, and Intellectual Property Department at Enzene. Adopting any new process or technology has its own challenges. Whether it is a big pharma company, a early stage startup, it doesn't matter, right? Because when you are adopting something new, it has its own challenges. However, it may compound more for a startup as it has access to limited resources and very likely a cap on the investment. But it could be a game changer if they have the right skill sets and deep knowledge about the technology. And that is where I think Enzene comes in. We have a passionate team of professionals who are well versed with the requirements, having established and deeply understood the continuous manufacturing technology. In fact, at Enzene, continuous manufacturing is truly continuous in a sense that upstream and downstream processes are fully connected. There are ways you can do it. People are doing upstream manufacturing in continuous mode and then downstream processing. But at Enzene, we have it fully connected, and it helps us to drastically, reduce the facility and resource footprint. Some of the benefits, if you talk about the continuous manufacturing can offer, are very helpful for startups or small scale organizations to get that initial advantage. Like continuous manufacturing can offer, enhanced efficiency, faster time to market, which is very critical for startups. Flexibility and scalability of the continuous manufacturing process could be much more easier than the traditional manufacturing system. Smaller footprint of the facility, lesser environment impact because it's smaller in size. Some reduced operational cost day to day. The running cost of the facility can be significantly reduced. Higher productivity and yield. Agile manufacturing to respond quickly to market needs, and sometimes this is very critical for small scale organizations, that your adaptability to market demand should be very high, and continuous manufacturing offers that. Optimized supply chain management and enhanced overall operational flexibility. So these are some of the things which can be very handy for startups and small scale organizations. In the continuous manufacturing process, input materials or media feed, they are continuously fed into the process train, while the processed output is continuously removed and purified. Hence, it is very important, to have the best-in-class process analytical technology to understand how the product quality is. Process characterization using, state-of-the-art quality by design kind of approach, so that you understand your process well. In-process control strategies like data integrity, generating comprehensive data and information on the continuous manufacturing process. So if you ask me, Enzene has invested early on in building a very good team of process engineers and scientists who understand the nuances of such new technology. And that has helped us to design what we call now is EnzeneX, which is our continuous manufacturing technology. Almost in line with regulatory expectations. Obviously, when the guidelines were published, we further enhanced the process as per expectations. And what we also have done is that we have involved the global regulators very early on to get their feedback on our technology so that we are in line with their expectations.